Jamming out, a fun phrase explained. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fun and musical phrase in the English language, jam out. Ever heard of it? If not, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what it means and how to use it. Jam out is a casual slang phrase in English, primarily used to describe enjoying music. It often implies that someone is not just listening to music, but really getting into it, dancing, singing along, or playing an instrument. Imagine someone wearing headphones, dancing freely, and being completely lost in the rhythm. That's jamming out. Let's go over a few examples to understand its use. 1. I can't wait to jam out to my favorite song at the concert tonight. 2. Whenever I'm alone in the car, I jam out to the radio. 3. She was jamming out on her guitar last night, and it sounded amazing. As you can see, this phrase can be used in various contexts. At a concert, alone, or even while playing an instrument. There are other phrases and terms related to jam out that might help you get a deeper understanding. 1. Jam session, an informal gathering of musicians, where they play music together without any serious preparation. 2. Jam, a song or piece of music. It can also refer to improvising musically. 3. Jamming, when musicians play together, often improvising. All these terms have a common thread. They revolve around the idea of enjoying music, often spontaneously. And there we have it. Now, the next time you hear someone talking about how they jammed out over the weekend, you'll know they probably had a great time with some music. I hope this video has been helpful and that you'll find many opportunities to jam out yourself. Happy listening!